half a stick of butter in our cast iron. All right, that's getting nice and melted. We're gonna come in with our lobster meat, and this is the tail meat, and we're gonna put our whole bag right in there. I have a block of cream cheese, 8 ounces, that we're gonna place right into our cast iron with our lobster meat. And then our special ingredient, we have our lobster bisque. And we're gonna pour this whole container of lobster bisque right in our cast iron with our meat, our butter, and our cream cheese. We're gonna season this up with a little bit of garlic, and yes, I'm using garlic because that's what I like. About 1 tablespoon should be plenty. We're gonna add some black pepper, and you can season this however you like. This is just what I like to season this with. And then we have some salt. This is gonna be such a yummy lobster dish inspired by the Trader Joe's viral lobster pasta. But I got all my ingredients at Walmart because I like things to be affordable. So let's go ahead and get that cream cheese nice and melted and everything mixed together. All right, that cream cheese has melted and fully combined into our sauce. So now we can go ahead and take this off of the stove. All right, we have our 9x13 pan here that we are going to pour our sauce into. That delicious lobster, it smells amazing. Whoo, yum. All right, we're gonna add our al dente penne pasta right into our 9x13 with our lobster sauce. I have a container of grape tomatoes that I have that we're also gonna add into our pan. Come back with our spoon, and it's time to give this a good mix. Oh my goodness, I cannot tell you how delicious that sauce smells, and it was so easy to put together. It's gonna taste like a professionally made pasta with all that lobster and that lobster bisque, that cream cheese to make it extra creamy. I mean, this looks like you could eat it right now, but you guys know I'm not done yet because it is missing one very important factor. And if you follow me for a while, you could probably guess what it's missing, right, babe?
Yeah, it starts with a C.
Yeah, we have some freshly grated mozzarella that we are going to sprinkle right on top of our pasta. Because mozzarella makes every pasta better, and you cannot convince me otherwise. All right, let's get this nice and coated in cheese. You can add as much or as little as you like. All right, get that nice and spread out. And this is gonna go in the oven just to melt that cheese and get everything nice and cooked. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 20 minutes. This smells so good. Oh my, I cannot wait to dig in. I'm gonna top this off with a little bit of fresh Italian parsley, but this is optional. You can top it with whatever you like or just skip the parsley altogether. I just think the green adds all it needs. Oh, beautiful. All right, our viral Trader Joe's dupe lobster pasta is ready. Ooh, yum. I cannot wait to try this. It smells so good. Whoever invented this, God bless.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be making this every week. It is fantastic.